Hello, Larry here with PriceIt software. Today I'm going to show you how to integrate Order My Gear with your PriceIt software. What we're going to do first is, of course, we're going to log into your Order My Gear. Once you've logged into Order My Gear, you're going to see all kinds of stuff on here, your monthly sales, things like that. But up in the upper right-hand corner, you will see where there are 3 lines and 3 dots. What we're going to be doing is we're just going to go ahead and click on that, and then we're going to select My Account from below. All right. The next thing we're going to do is click on Integrations, and we're going to scroll all the way down to Order My Gear or OMG Orders API, but this is where you can do all your integrations as well. But for this one, we're going to be doing Order My Gear's API. We're going to come over here and we're going to click on Connect. Of course, it's going to generate an authorization token. We're going to need that token. So what you'll want to do is you'll want to click in this green box here. That will copy the authorization token to your clipboard. Once we've done that, we're going to go back to PriceIt, and we're going to put that in the integration. We click Shortcuts, Order My Gear. We're going to click on Setup, and then we're going to paste that API key in here that was generated. So there we go. That's been put in there. So the other thing we need is we need our store code and store name. We're going to go back to Order My Gear, and then we're going to go over to All Stores, Stores and All Stores up in the left-hand corner. And then, of course, we have the sale code and the store name. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to grab the sale code first, and we'll go ahead and copy that. All right. We'll actually copy the store code itself. There you go. And then we're going to go back to PriceIt, and we are going to paste that into the store code slot here. And then we're going to go back over to stores in Order My Gear. We're going to grab the store name. We're going to copy that to the clipboard as well. We're going to take that. We're going to go back to PriceIt. And from here, we're going to just paste that into the store name. And then we're going to update customer. We're going to put this to yes. And then once that's done, we're going to go over to import pricing, and we're going to say yes. And then when we're done with that, we're going to go over to type of order. And of course, to pick up what type of order it is here, add specialties or whatever. Assign this customer. So if you have a customer that you've made this store for, you'll want to assign this store to that customer. Or if you want, you can go ahead and select below where it says Order My Gear store name as the customer. So you could do one or the other or both. We recommend that you have Order My Gear create the store or create the customer name, but really it's your choice on how you want to do that. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and select this one, and I'm going to move on down to the open date and close date. So we're going to go down to where it says open date, and we're going to click in that field. And we're going to select the date that we opened that store. So we're going to go back. You can find this information in Order My Gear. The close date, you always want to set that a couple days, maybe even a week after the store actually closes. So in this case, we're going to pick a date. We're going to go back and pick a date that, let's see, closes on a specific date. So we're going to add some time to that. Let's select, let's give it a few more extra days. Let's give it 11 extra, or a couple extra weeks actually. Let's do that. And then we're going to go back. Once we've done that, we're going to go to orders, go to orders. And then now we're going to select the store name, and we're going to click on let's see, from store name, we're going to have from here, we're going to click on download new orders. Now, of course, there are no new orders in this store at all. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a different store at this point that does have orders waiting for it. We're going to click a different one that's already been created. We're going to click on download new orders. And we click on download orders. It's going to reach out to Order My Gear and pull in all of the orders that are waiting. And from here, you can push them over. We have another video that shows you how to actually work with it from here. But you'll basically push them over from here, or you'll go over to allow or don't allow, and you will click on those red buttons to not allow something to be pushed to PriceIt. That's pretty much it. If you have any other questions, give us a call, 802-257-5188. info@PriceItSoftware.com is our email address, and you can also reach us on the web at PriceItSoftware.com. Hope you're having a great day. If you have any questions or have any trouble with anything, don't be afraid to reach out to us. Have a great day.